is happening, guys? It is Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you at 6 a.m. on a Thursday morning. So why am I up so early? I'm actually getting ready to head up to Sacramento to pick up my new vehicle. What is it going to be? Sorry guys, I want to make you wait. I will say I am not selling the good old Porsche, so we still have the Porsche in the background, but I'm going to be picking up another vehicle that's going to serve as additional use for track days as well as canyon carving. So I will see you guys at the airport. We made it through security at LAX. What a freaking zoo. There's like a million people here, and I think what is making it so challenging is the fact that people are forgetting how they are traveling. But we made it through. I'm nice and early. Can't wait to head up to Sacramento and grab my vehicle. So I'll talk to you guys later. We are on the plane and it doesn't look very full at all. Should be a relatively quick flight up to Sacramento. We're looking about an hour and a half. So I will see you guys up there. I made it to Sacramento about 15 to 20 minutes late thanks to Delta. We left substantially late, but we're here. I'm gonna take a lift over to the location where I'm meeting the seller, and we're gonna go ahead and check out the car. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. We have picked up the vehicle. The owner just left and took a departuring photo. I went and took the car for a test drive, and as expected, drove exactly how I had anticipated. So I'm just super happy at the moment right now. I'm gonna have a little quick lunch before I hit the road and head back down to Orange County. Hopefully we'll be able to get some footage of the drive down. But thanks for joining me on this journey to fly up here to Sacramento to pick up the vehicle, head back to Orange County. What is happening, guys? So we are on the road in the new car heading back down to Orange County. It's been a spectacular drive so far down I-5, and this car has performed up to my expectations thus far. So we'll go ahead and do a pit stop in a little bit and just chit chat about a couple of things. Thanks again for kind of tagging along, guys. It's about 2.5, 3 hours into my trip back down to Orange County. So I wanted to go ahead and just take a quick stop and get some gas, fuel up a little bit, as well as just rest just a tiny bit. And also to give you guys kind of my first impression of how this performed thus far. I will tell you, has performed up to my expectations at this point. It is such a nimble little car. A couple of videos that I have watched in the past regarding the reviews said that the car can be a little twitchy, and now I understand because I'll say the steering response is very fast on it. It literally just jumps back and forth. Again, very much like a go-kart. I did go ahead and install a JB Plus on top of the stock software setup that is on. Let me tell you guys, this car is fast. In 6th gear, it definitely has some pull, but if I want to pass a couple of vehicles at a time, I can even go down to 5th gear, and if I want quite a bit of boost, I can go down to 4th gear, and it pulls very strong. I am currently using the Torque app, so I get to see the level of boost that it's boosting when I am on it, and it feels definitely really good and very stable. Again, with the reviews that I've seen, all of the aero packages that is set standard, they say it makes a difference, and I can tell you It really makes a difference on the car. Doing 80, 90, even 100, the car feels extremely stable. I never feel like I'm going to lose control of the car. Very planted. I will say the suspension definitely rides like a standard coilover setup, and that's going to be rough. It has very quick response because it is a linear rated spring, so you've got very balanced, I'll say, rebound and dampening on the setup. So very happy with the ride so far. I'm going to get back on the road, head down, and hopefully not hit too much traffic down in LA. I'll see you guys down there shortly. Hey guys, so I finally made it back home after, gosh, over 12 hours of traveling, but feels good to be home. Feels good to have the car in my driveway. Had to do a little rearranging, still leaving the 911 here, moving the to make some room, but it just feels good to be home. Again, thanks for joining me on this journey. I look forward to sharing more of this vehicle with you guys. So you guys are probably wondering why I specifically chose the GP2 as a vehicle to buy. For one, I think the looks look fantastic. Two, it drives like nothing else that I have driven. In my opinion, this car is essentially, I'll say it's like the Porsche GT3 compared to a regular Porsche. It's got different parts from the factory. It performs vastly different, but I will say it's not in the same league. It's just the comparison between the two of the GP2 opposed to a standard Mini Cooper. So you've got that level of performance difference. So the GP2 indeed is a very special car. Up front for clamping force, you have 330 millimeter rotors that are clamped down by 6 piston calipers borrowed off of the BMW 135i. So you've got tremendous braking force there, and it's very color coded, as you can see. Rear ones are going to be very normal brakes. And coming back here, you can see that you've got the nice diffuser, and you've got the carbon fiber wing. Now, according to the manufacturer, both the diffuser and the wing actually produces a fair amount of downforce for the vehicle, which is nice. Coming inside the vehicle, you have nice Recaro seats that are stitched in red, as well as Alcantara. And you got your good old-fashioned 6-speed transmission here. Rear seat delete, strut tower bar in the back here. Front, you have a face that a mother could be the only one that would love it.